Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
Hi, it's Scott with RVFix. Here today we're going to show you how to reset an unresponsive iRV36 radio. So you're not getting any kind of function out of volume, selecting channels. Power's on, as you can see the display, just non-responsive to any of the push buttons. So let's get started. So what we want to do is we're going to take our trim covers off here. They're just magnetic on. Pull those off, and we're just going to want to pull the radio and basically unplug it. We're going to let it set a little bit and then plug it back in. Just pull that out. And just have a clip on the bottom. Just push in on that clip, pull the radio out, and we'll just let it set for a couple minutes. All right, we've let it set, so now let's go ahead and plug it back in. It only plugs in one way. We're just going to plug that in. I'll turn on our power button. And now we have a functioning radio. Now we can go ahead and reinstall and enjoy our camping trip. Reinstall our screw covers like such. Check our work. And we have a working radio. That's how you reset your RV radio.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.